Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate single ledger in Zerodha. First, understand that a single ledger streamlines your funds across all trading segments, making management much simpler. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can consolidate your capital efficiently. It's a straightforward feature designed to enhance your trading experience by providing a unified view of your available funds. To begin, open your web browser and log in to your Zerodha console. Use your client ID and password to access your account securely. Once logged in, look for the Funds section, typically found in the main navigation menu. Click on this section to proceed, as it contains all the necessary settings for managing your trading capital and ledger options. Now, within the Funds section, you will find the option to activate the single ledger. This feature allows you to consolidate your equity and commodity funds into one unified balance. Before proceeding, take a moment to read the terms and conditions. Once you are comfortable, click the confirmation button to enable this convenient feature for your Zerodha account. Activating the single ledger offers several key advantages. You will experience simplified fund management, as your capital is consolidated across all segments, including equity and commodities. This makes tracking your overall balance much easier and ensures you always have a clear picture of your available funds. It's a powerful tool for efficient capital allocation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.